Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Ulang bakalong ke Bashim Jingeh ke Sorkar Jela bantuklar bet halor ke kendram Nehu. Namar Nehu ke hap ke Pynbeit ke Sorkar Pdeng. Habakran syikilat patai kubor ulang manakalyang jong ula yok banakran bat ketenat bedai Khmih. Bat menteri kumjuruk bat Nehu. Hendrai uang bakalong ke bae syikat day ya ke Sorkar bakan tuklar. Namar bakahap ke Khmih ke Sorkar Pdeng. Hendai ke Sorkar Jela ke Shule ke benta bandlong Pdeng. Pdeng kini ki yang mamla. Ulang Katba nak liang ke Sorkar Jela kalau Pyrshang ban ai ke Jingmut. Hendai ke hap bandan pade ke Jinghun na baro arliang. Kumta kalong ke bae hadu kata-kata ya ke Sorkar. Bakanya dan benta bantuklar ya kini. Syu ulang menteri ketenat puli putih ke Jelaru. Ulai keren bat katuk ini kinong trei na Nehu. Ban Pyrshang ban wat ya ke lat. Ban Pynbeit ya kini ke Jingeh. Kumta ke Sorkar kanya Pyrshang kat bala ban ya keren Pynbeit no. Ya kini ke kendram Nehu.
Yeah, it's very unfortunate what's happening in Nehu. It's really affecting the students and the people working there. This seems to be a very kind of a deadlock situation as of now. I have been obviously talking at different levels to the ministry and to the minister himself and others and even to Nehu. But as you're all aware that Nehu is a body that's directly under the central government, so it's very kind of a touchy issue for us to directly get involved, and we can only play a role of mediation between the two, which is what we've been doing. But even while we mediate, when we give certain recommendations and suggestions, and we say, well, what if we do this, then we need the support from all sides to then move forward with that recommendation, suggestions, and sometimes obviously because of ground situation those are not possible, and again complications come up. So this is what we've been seeing in Nehu. So it becomes very complicated and difficult for us being a central government institute to directly get involved in this. So we are doing our best. Even as we speak today, I think the education minister is in talks with some of the officials from Nehu, trying to find a solution to this deadlock that we're having. So we are doing our best. We will do our best. We will try our best. We will be in touch without interfering with the functioning and the autonomy of Nehu, and without really affecting anybody. We are doing our best in the best possible way to see if there's a mediation that can be achieved, and the students and especially the workers who are working there, the casual workers, hopefully will be able to do something to release their salaries. So it's something that is beyond the jurisdiction of the state government, and our role is as a mediator, but we are not taking it lightly. We are doing our best to see, because at the end of the day it is our people who are suffering, and we would like to see that we can be part of the solution.